Hello everyone, I'm Aratrika Bhaumik and I welcome you all to another episode of Courts Today on LiveLaw, where we update you about all the important legal developments that took place across the country today. We will begin with developments from the Supreme Court of India and then move on to High Courts and other subordinate courts. If you like our content, then it would mean a lot to us if you could please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's begin. In a path-breaking development, the Bar Council of India has decided to permit foreign lawyers and law firms to practice foreign law in India on a reciprocity basis. The areas of practice of law by a foreign lawyer or law firm shall be laid down by the Bar Council in consultation with the Law Ministry if need be. It has notified the Bar Council of India rules for registration and regulation of foreign lawyers and foreign law firms in India, 2022. Foreign lawyers or law firms shall be allowed to practice on transactional or corporate work only, such as ventures, mergers, acquisitions, etc. Much higher than the evil of defection is the principle of majority rule in this country, Senior Advocate Mahesh Jethmalani has said while appearing for the Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena faction before a constitution bench. The five-judge bench comprising Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices M.R. Shah, Krishna Murari, Hima Kohli and Narasimha was hearing a host of constitutional issues arising out of the political fallout in Maharashtra due to the coup carried out by the Shinde's faction. Telangana Chief Minister's daughter and Bharat Rashtra Samiti leader K. Kavita has moved the Supreme Court challenging the ED summons in relation to the Delhi excise policy case. She was questioned by the agency on March 11th and is required to appear again tomorrow. The matter was mentioned before the Chief Justice of India, who refused immediate hearing and posted the matter on March 24th. The Supreme Court of India today asked the Union government to respond to the allegation that CPIM leader Muhammad Yusuf Tarigami was kept under detention without any formal order in 2019 in the aftermath of the abrogation of the special status of Jammu and Kashmir. A bench comprising Justices A.S. Oka and Rajesh Bindal was hearing a habeas corpus petition filed by the CPIM General Secretary Sitaram Yechury in 2019 against the detention of the four-time MLA from the J&K Assembly. The Supreme Court has made absolute the interim stay on the order of the Uttarakhand High Court banning religious outfits and bodies and also group of people in the state from issuing fatwas or similar diktats. The order was passed by a bench comprising Justice Ajay Rastogi and Justice Bela M. Trivedi in a special leave petition filed by Jamiyat Ulama Hind. In 2018, the Supreme Court had stayed the operation of the order of the High Court. Supreme Court Judge Justice Ajay Rastogi has urged all advocates to undergo a training course in mediation by sparing time or even sparing briefs, remarking that it would change their lifestyle and their response to clients as well as perception not just towards themselves but to their family as well. The bench of Justices Rastogi and Bela M. Trivedi was hearing a builder home buyers matter. Former Attorney General for India and Senior Advocate K. Venugopal has written to the President of the Supreme Court Bar Association, Vikas Singh, advising him to not allow the passing of the resolutions proposed against senior advocates Kapil Sibal and Neeraj Kishan Kaul. The SCBA General Body meeting is scheduled to consider tomorrow the resolutions proposed against Sibal and Kaul for tendering apology to the Chief Justice of India on behalf of the Bar for the outbursts made by Senior Advocate Vikas Singh while seeking urgent listing of a petition filed by the SCBA in relation to the allocation of lawyers' chambers. The Supreme Court of India has issued notice to an advocate for aggravated contempt of court for asking the National Company Law Tribunal to ignore an order passed by the top court as nullity. The lawyer advocate Deepak Khosla is already facing one contempt proceedings in the Supreme Court. In that contempt proceeding, Khosla's application was brought to the attention of a bench comprising Justices B.R. Gavai, Vikram Nath and Sanjay Kaul. The Delhi High Court has issued notice on a public interest litigation petition to conduct the CLAT-UG 2024 examination not only in English but also in other regional languages as mentioned in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. The exam is scheduled to be held in December this year. A division bench of Chief Justice Satish Chandra Sharma and Justice Subramanian Prasad sought responses of the consortium of national law universities and others within 4 weeks and listed the matter for hearing on May 19th. A Delhi court has granted bail to former Bihar Chief Minister and Rashtriya Janata Dal Chief Lalu Prasad Yadav, his wife Rabri Devi and daughter Misa Bharti in the alleged land for job scam case. The special judge of the Rouse Avenue Court granted bail subject to the accused persons furnishing a personal bond of ₹50,000 and one surety of like amount each. Bail was granted after Yadav, his daughter and wife appeared before the court pursuant to the summons issued to them last month. The Punjab and Haryana High Court today issued notice to the Punjab government in a plea filed by Dera Sacha Saudar Chief Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh Insan seeking the quashing of an FIR lodged against him for his alleged remarks against Guru Ravidas and Saint Kabir. The FIR under Section 295A of the IPC for outraging religious beliefs was registered against him earlier this month on the complaint of one Jassi Talhan, the president of Guru Ravidas Tiger Force. Hearing a doctor's plea seeking removal of news articles related to a criminal case registered against him in 1999, the Delhi High Court has sought response of Google as to whether de-indexing of publications can be done so that the URLs do not show up on search engines' results. While listing the matter on May 18th along with a batch of similar petitions on the right to be forgotten, the court also directed the union and other respondents to file their response to the petition. Thank you. Keep watching Courts Today on LiveLaw for more such updates. See you tomorrow.